Want to unlock the secrets of digital success? In today's video, we're diving into the world of Google Analytics, the powerhouse tool that provides valuable insights into your website's performance. If you're a beginner looking to harness the true power of data, you've come to the right place. But before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's address a burning question. Is Google Analytics really worth your time and effort? The power of data. Some may question the value of diving into the world of data analytics. Isn't it overwhelming? Isn't it time-consuming? But let me tell you, my friends, the power of data cannot be overstated. Google Analytics is the key to unlocking vital information about your website visitors, their behaviors, and their interactions with your content. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions, optimize your website's performance, and drive your business towards success. So let's put any doubts to rest and embark on this exciting journey into the world of Google Analytics. Part number 1 is setting up Google Analytics. The first step on your Google Analytics adventure is setting up your account. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Head over to the Google Analytics website, analytics.google.com, and follow the simple instructions to create your account. You'll need a Google account to get started, so make sure you have one handy. Once you've created your account, you'll be guided through the setup process. During the setup, you'll need to provide information about your website, such as its name and URL. This information helps Google Analytics track and organize data specific to your website. Once you've entered these details, you'll be provided with a unique tracking code. Now, don't let the term tracking code intimidate you. It's simply a snippet of JavaScript that you need to add to your website's HTML code. This code is what enables Google Analytics to collect data and provide you with valuable insights. But here's a pro tip. Take advantage of Google Tag Manager. This powerful tool simplifies the process of adding and managing multiple tracking codes on your website, making your life a whole lot easier. With Google Tag Manager, you can add and update tags without having to touch your website's code directly. It's a user-friendly interface that streamlines the tracking code implementation process. Once you've set up the tracking code, give it some time to collect data. Google Analytics needs a bit of time to gather information about your website visitors, so be patient, my friends. Part number 2 is navigating the Google Analytics dashboard. Once you have Google Analytics up and running, it's time to explore the dashboard. At first glance, it may seem overwhelming with all those charts, graphs, and numbers, but fear not. We're here to guide you through the maze. Let's start with the audience overview. This section provides you with an at-a-glance snapshot of your website's performance. It shows you the number of visitors your website receives, their geographic locations, and the devices they use to access your site. Understanding your audience is crucial for tailoring your content and marketing strategies. You can use this information to identify which regions are driving the most traffic, which devices are most popular among your visitors, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your website's user experience. Another essential section is acquisition. Here, you'll discover how visitors find your website and how they get there. You'll see data on organic search, direct traffic, when visitors type your URL directly into their browser, referral traffic, when visitors come from other websites, and even paid campaigns if you're running any. This information helps you understand which marketing channels are driving traffic to your website. By knowing which channels are most effective, you can optimize your marketing efforts and allocate resources more effectively. Moving on to behavior, this section provides insights into how users navigate and interact with your website. You'll be able to see which pages on your site are the most popular, how long visitors spend on each page, and the bounce rate, the percentage of visitors who leave your site after viewing only one page. This data helps you identify which pages are performing well and which may need improvement. You can use this information to optimize your website's structure, content, and user flow to keep visitors engaged and encourage them to explore more. Lastly, we have conversions. This section is where the magic happens. Here, you can track specific actions that users take on your website, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or signing up for a newsletter. By setting up goals and tracking conversions, you can measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and drive better results. It's like having a treasure map that guides you towards success. With this data, you can optimize your website and marketing strategies to increase conversions and achieve your business objectives. So, take some time to explore the various sections of the Google Analytics dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the data and metrics available to you. It may seem overwhelming at first, but as you delve deeper into the data, you'll unlock valuable insights that will empower you to make data-driven decisions and take your website to new heights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our data-driven community. Part number 3 is unlocking insights with goals and conversions. Now let's delve into one of the most powerful features of Google Analytics: goals and conversions. These tools allow you to track specific actions that users take on your website, such as making a purchase, filling out a form, or signing up for a newsletter. By setting up goals and tracking conversions, you can measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, identify areas for improvement, and drive better results. It's like having a treasure map that guides you towards success. To get started with goals, you'll need to define what actions on your website you consider valuable. For example, if you run an e-commerce store, a purchase would be a crucial goal. If you have a blog, a goal could be the number of newsletter signups or the time spent on a specific page. Goals can be customized to fit your business objectives and can vary based on your website's purpose. Setting up goals in Google Analytics is relatively straightforward. First, navigate to the Admin section of your Google Analytics account. Under the View column, you'll find the option to create goals. Google Analytics offers several goal templates to choose from, such as destination, duration, pages, screens per session, and event goals. Select the template that aligns with the action you want to track. Let's say you want to track the number of newsletter signups. You can select the destination goal type, where you define a specific URL that users reach after successfully signing up. This could be a confirmation page or a thank you page. Once you've set the destination URL, you can choose to assign a value to the goal if it represents a monetary value for your business. Once your goals are set up, Google Analytics will start tracking and reporting on them. You can monitor goal completions, conversion rates, and even track goal performance over specific periods. This data provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and helps you make data-driven decisions to optimize your website and campaigns. But setting up goals is just the beginning. Let's take it a step further with conversion tracking. Conversion tracking allows you to track specific actions users take on your website and attribute them to specific marketing channels or campaigns. This helps you understand which channels are driving conversions and where to focus your marketing efforts. To enable conversion tracking, you'll need to add a small snippet of code called a conversion tracking tag to the relevant pages on your website. The tag works behind the scenes, capturing data on user interactions and sending it back to Google Analytics. For example, if you're running a Google Ads campaign, conversion tracking enables you to measure the number of conversions generated from your ads. By linking your Google Ads account to your Google Analytics account, you can track the performance of your campaigns, monitor the cost per conversion, and optimize your ad spend. Conversion tracking also allows you to attribute conversions to specific marketing channels, such as organic search, social media, email campaigns, or referral traffic. This information helps you identify which channels are most effective in driving conversions and allocate your resources accordingly. Additionally, you can set up multi-channel funnels, which track the user's journey across multiple touchpoints before completing a conversion. This gives you a holistic view of how different channels and campaigns work together to drive conversions. You can analyze the customer journey, identify the most influential touchpoints, and optimize your marketing mix for maximum impact. So don't underestimate the power of goals and conversions in Google Analytics. These features provide you with the tools to measure and optimize your website's performance, improve user experience, and drive conversions. Embrace the insights they offer and watch your business thrive in the digital world. Part number 4 is advanced tips and tricks. Are you ready to take your Google Analytics skills to the next level? Here are some advanced tips and tricks that will make you a data ninja. 1. Utilize custom dimensions and metrics. These allow you to track specific user attributes and behaviors, giving you a deeper understanding of your audience. 2. Create custom reports and dashboards. Tailor your reporting to focus on the metrics that matter most to your business. Build custom reports and dashboards that provide the insights you need at a glance. 3. Use advanced segments. Segment your data to uncover hidden patterns and insights. Compare the behaviors of different user groups and discover opportunities for optimization. 4. Set up e-commerce tracking. If you run an online store, enable e-commerce tracking to gain valuable insights into your sales performance, product popularity, and customer behavior. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to Google Analytics for beginners. We've covered the basics of setting up your account, navigating the dashboard, and unlocking valuable insights. But remember, the true power of Google Analytics lies in your willingness to explore, experiment, and continuously learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our data-driven community. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of digital success. Until next time, happy analyzing.